Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your device is online and the Max VPN app or profile is accessible. Open Settings and go to Network or launch the Max VPN application. You need to see the active connection. If asked, sign in with your account so the app shows profile details. Once you see the connected profile name and status, pause to confirm which profile is active. That prevents turning off the wrong VPN when you proceed to disconnect it. You now disconnect the active Max VPN. Tap the profile labeled Connected and select Disconnect or Turn Off. Some apps show Stop Connection instead. If you're using the device's system VPN, toggle the VPN switch to Off under Profiles. Confirm any permission or confirmation prompts so the app can close the tunnel. After you command it, watch the status indicator. It should flip to disconnected or off. If it takes longer than a few seconds, repeat the disconnect once more. Finish by closing the Max VPN app and cycling your network. Turn Wi-Fi or mobile data off and on to clear routes. If the VPN still appears active, reboot the device. That clears lingering tunnels. Make sure there are no persistent profiles left in settings. Remove any you no longer need. If the VPN won't stop, clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall Max VPN, then repeat the disconnect steps. This resolves most stuck connections quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.